In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with card templates. We'll start right from the card dashboard. After you log in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on New Site. This will open a page showing a gallery of ready-made card templates. At the top of this page, you'll see tabs that let you filter the templates by type, such as all, profile, landing, form, portfolio, or sectioned. These categories are helpful if you already have a goal in mind, like creating a simple landing page or a more detailed multi-section site. Take a moment to scroll through and preview the designs. When you've decided which template best fits your needs, hover your cursor over it and click Select. Card will then open that template inside the editor so you can start customizing it. Inside the editor, your chosen template already comes with pre-built elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. To edit any element, simply click on it. A drawer will slide open on the left side of the screen showing the settings for that specific element. At the top of this drawer, you'll see small icons that let you switch between different types of settings. Basic content settings, appearance options like colors and fonts, animation settings for adding motion, and more advanced options. If there's an element you don't need, select it, then look at the bottom of the left panel. You'll see a delete icon there. Click it to remove the element from your page. To rearrange elements, click to select one, then drag it to the position you want and release it. This drag and drop approach makes it easy to adjust your layout visually until it looks just right. If you want to add something new to your page, look again to the top right of the editor for the plus icon. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear showing all the different types of elements you can add, such as text blocks, images, videos, buttons, and more. Choose the element you need, and Card will place it on your page. Its settings will immediately appear on the left panel so you can customize content, style, and behavior. Just like with existing elements, you can drag and drop your new element around the canvas to place it exactly where you want it. Once you're happy with your site and ready to put it online, go to the hamburger menu in the top right corner of the editor. Click it and choose Publish from the drop-down. A drawer will open on the left, where you'll be asked to enter a title and a description for your site. Both of these fields are required. Next, you'll choose an action. You can publish to a card subdomain, publish to a custom domain you own, save the design as a reusable template, or save it as an offline draft if you're not ready to go live yet. Configure the options depending on what you select, but double check your details, and when everything looks good, click Publish. Your card website is now created and ready to share.